Look at that shiny car.
It is shiny.
Gotta remember how to do this. That fits under there somehow.
Usually they slide up, right?
Yeah, there's like a little hook in there that kind of slides around. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Awesome.
So what it was is this little piece right here needs to slide off.
Okay.
That's what was confusing me because I didn't see the hook.
Okay.
I'm like, oh, okay, there we go.
Oh,
It's
so you just broke it off. Okay.
No, it slides off. It's been so long since I did this that I forgot. Each car is a little different, so these just pop on. That's it. Hopefully they work well.
I was trying to get it closer.
Whoa, that one lets it come off by itself. So there's a difference in two deals.
Wow.
So this is the part that was stuck on the hook that I had to try to I use the screwdriver to pop it off a little bit.
Close up of that.
And then grab this little guy and pull it up.
Okay.
Slides through.
Oh, I can't really see from this angle. Let me try this angle.
Grabs the guts. I wonder if one goes on the left and one goes on the right.
Does one seem smaller than the other? That one looks smaller.
It does, right?
Yeah, one is usually smaller on cars.
So these are okay to come off. Just pop. Just pop right back on here. I think. Did I break it? No, I didn't break it. Okay, let's try the switches. These might just suck. I ordered these wipers on Amazon, so who knows. Amazon's really good at some things and not that great at others, so. Yeah, so this must, I think the big one goes on the driver's side. I have no idea. It's been a while since I worked on cars at all. I don't know. We will see. This thing just slides. Boom. Clip. Okay. That looks a little bit better.
Okay.
Let's turn the car on here and see how they do. Get my keys or?
No. Test these wipers out. What a perfect time to test them.
Yeah, it's all
because
drizzly.
It's drizzly, so you can see if they work. Sweet.
Hey. That's right. So big one goes on the driver's side, small one goes on the passenger. There we go.
All right.